Oh, hey, how you doing, peoples? What's going on? Okay, so we're back with these steps, ready to get the party started. Right? So we're coming back to teach you another step, one of the fabulous steps that you can ever learn. Sorry. Anyways, so one of the steps we're gonna actually learn is called a coaster step. So we're gonna get this step on so you can go ahead and step on. You feel me? You like how I did that, right? That was cool. All right. So the coaster step is gonna be one and two. One and two. And you can also do it on the left. One and two. One and two. Step it back and up. Back and up. On the right and up. Right and up. All right. Now we're going to want you to see a close up now so you can capture this. One and two. One and two. Now on the left, one and two. One and two. All right. So when you see that step, you're gonna hear me call you coaster step. And at some parties, you're gonna hear them say coaster step in the dance. So when they say coaster step, you know exactly what to do. You better make sure you get the step right. Because if you do something else, it's gonna be crazy. And trust and believe, somebody's gonna be recording, and trust and believe, we gonna be laughing. But anyways, in the meantime, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, the family, so y'all can all be ready at the cookout. I'll let you later.